Welcome my friends and my students and parents. It's a new beginning on the demand of kids. We are doing live recording of first chapter of 10th standard, heights and distance. People ask, sir, what is the use of heights and distance? Where we use? Simple. When you make a bridges or cable bridge, roads on mountain, buildings, everywhere, in the war also. You know the height, this is a ship. And you see the Pakistani ship here, warship. And Indian stand here. They have to kill. Immediately, they'll measure what is the angle. They know this angle. They know the height. Immediately by using sign, they'll calculate this and they'll put bow. Same way, you know what is the, first you should know what is the angle of elevation and what is the angle of depression. This is the tower. A person stand here, and one thing very important, heights and distance only applicable in right angle triangle. If you don't put this sign, you're inviting examiner to cut one mark. So be careful. Now, from here, when a person see to top, this is called angle of elevation. These two are parallel. This is called angle of depression. Angle of elevation always equal to angle of depression. These are the primary information you needed for heights and distance. Now I will proceed the sums from class worksheets of ASR Tutorial Pvt Limited. Thanks. Welcome my friends. The first sum. This is a tower. A point C. The height of the tower is given x and the distance of point from the tower is root 3x. Find angle of elevation. Now, what should I take? Sine, cos, tan. Oh my God. Angle is given. You know the perpendicular or opposite side, base or adjacent sides. So opposite upon adjacent. What do you take? Think tan. So we'll use tan theta is AB upon BC. AB is x, root 3x, 1 upon root 3. Now, so theta equal to 30 degree because tan 30 is 1 upon root 2. This is my first sum, my dear. Now, the second sum, this is the tower. A person stand 120 meter away from the tower Angle of elevation is 60 degree. Find what is the height of the tower. Again, I know the angle. I know the distance. I don't know the height. Now what are you going to use? Sine, cos, tan. We are going to use tan again. So, tan 60 equal to AB upon BC. Root 3 AB upon 120. Do cross multiplication. AB is, now root 3 value you know, 120 into 1.732. Now calculate as early as you can do. 12 to the 24, 12 3s are 38, 12 7s are 84 plus 3, 87, 12 11s are 12 plus 8, put decimal, the answer is 207.84 meter. This is the height of the tower. Got it? Now these two sums. Thanks. We'll move to next sum. Welcome friends. Sum number 3. There was a storm, आंधी तूफान, बेचारा पेड़ टूट गया. A tree broke from here. This is the broken part. Be careful. Broke from here and the tip of tree touched ground here. This angle is 45 degree. And this part is 15 meter. Now you have to find what is the height of the unbroken tree. I'll find AB, then I'll find AC. Avoid Pythagoras theorem because we are doing trigonometry. So first I'll use tan 45. Tan 45 is AB upon BC. Tan 45 is how much? 1. AB upon 15. So AB equal to 15 meter. You can use Pythagoras to find AC, but I told avoid. So here, now we'll use, I know the angle, I know opposite, I want to find hypo, so I'll use sin theta is AB upon AC. Sin 45 is 15 upon AC. Sin 45 is how much? 1 over root 2 equal to 15 upon AC. So AC equal to 15 root 2. You can substitute the value of root 2. Root 2 is 1.414. 15 for the 60. 15 plus 6, 21. Carry forward 2. 15 for the 62, 21. This is. So AC is 21.21 meter. Now, so I want to find what is the height of unbroken part. Means AB plus AC. So the total height was 21.21 meter plus 15, that is 36.21 meter. See the fourth sum. A boy, his height is 1.6 meter. He saw the top of a tower. Definitely he won't see from here. Right? He can't see from the feet. He has to see from the eye. Aankhein yahan hain. He saw the top of a tower and he is standing 20 meter away from the tower. P, Q, R. This angle is given 60. Find what is the height of the tower. You see, AQRB is a rectangle because all angles are 90. Right? So this is 1.6. So this is also 1.6. Now, again I use tan only. PQ upon AQ. Tan 60 is PQ upon AQ. Tan 60 value is what? Root 3. PQ I don't know. This is 20. Do cross multiplication बच्चे लोग. 20 into root 3 equal to PQ. Is it clear? Now, I hope all of you know the value of root 3. Multiply. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6, 2 7 to 14, 34.64. So PQ is 36.64 meter. What is the height? PR? 36.64 plus 1.6428. This is the height of the tower. These are we are beginning. We are doing small sums. These are the basic. Now after this, we'll begin the difficult sums. I'll try my best. First thing, remember, you have to create, you have to think, how can be the figure? Once you get figure, your 80% sum is solved. Okay? Thanks. Welcome dear friends. Now the next, sum number 5. Whatever sums I am doing, before I explain, the sums will be reflect on your screen. You can read or you can just take a screenshot so you know what sum I am doing. This is the tower. A person stand here. He is 2.4 meter away from the tower. The angle of elevation is 68 degree. Find the height of the tower. Again I'll use tan. So, tan 68 is AB upon BC. You see the logbook? Because this is not the standard angles. You know how to see the logbook. Tan 68 is 2.475 AB upon, now multiply, 24 5s are 120, 24 7s are 168, plus 12, 180, 24 4s are 96 plus 8, 104 plus 10, 114, 24 is a 48 plus 59. So AB equal to 59.4 meter. Okay? Now the next sum. This is a tower. Shadow was still here. And the angle of elevation was 45 degree. When shadow increased by 10 meter, the elevation changes to find the height of the tower. Always take closure triangle first. We'll take in triangle ABC. Right? Let BC equal to X. I'll use tan 45 AB upon BC. Tan 45 is 1. AB upon X. So AB equal to X. Now we'll use entire triangle in triangle ABD. We'll use tan 30. Remember, when I'm using this angle, I can't take ACD because it's not a right angle triangle. We would always use right angle triangle. When I use tan 30 equal to AB upon BD. Tan 30 is 1 over root 3. AB is x, BD is 10 plus x. Do cross multiplication. Root 3x equal to 10 plus x. Bring x here. Root 3x minus x equal to 10. 10x common. This part goes down. Don't substitute the root 3 value now. We'll substitute at the end. So x equal to 10 upon root 3 minus 1. We'll rationalize root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. 10 into root 3 plus 1. Now, a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So, root 3 square is 3 minus 1, 10, 1.732 plus 1 upon 2. So, 10 into 2.732 upon 2. Now do cancellation. 1.366. My answer is 13.66 meter. This is sum number 5. Sum number 6. Slowly we'll be doing difficult sums. Concentrate. Try to play and play again. What I have done, what I explained. Got it? Thanks. We'll move to the next sum. Sum number 7. We were discussing how this heights and distance used in war. This is the cliff. Person standing here with the camera. He saw two ships on the same side of the tower, means cliff. Correct? Angle of depression is 30 and 45. When we go near, we see big things. Closer. So closer one is higher, and we go far, it's a smaller one. And given the height of the cliff is very simple. I have to find the distance between two ships. I'll use tan 45. I'll get BC. I'll use tan 30. I'll get BD. Got it? So first I'll use in triangle ABC. Tan 45 is AB upon BC. AB is 200. So BC equal to 200 meter. Got it? Now to find BD, use triangle ABD. So tan 30 equal to AB upon BD. 1 over root 3, 200 upon BD. So BD equal to 200 root 3. Substitute the value 1.732. Multiply 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 7 is 14, 346.4 meter. They are asking what is the distance between two ships. So DC equal to BD minus BC 346.4 minus 200, 146.4 meter. Second condition they have given. Now, one warship coming from here, Pakistani, other warship coming from there, Bangladeshi. So he has to find two places. Immediately he will calculate what is the distance between two ships. So ships are on the opposite side. You have to draw the figure again. AB, my cliff, that is 200 meter. This is 45 degree and this is 30. You have to show this step because angle of depression beta. This is 30 and this is 45. Same way, if this is 45, this also 45. This is 30, this also 30. I have calculation done. You don't have to calculate again. The BC, I calculated 200 meter, BD calculation 346.4 meter. What is this distance? So here CD is 200 plus 346.4, 546.4. This is a very important question. They ask in the board also. Here we asked when the ships are on the same side and here ships on the opposite side. We found the distance and we found the distance. Got it? Now we'll move to next sum. Thanks. Now, welcome to the sum number 8. This is the tower. I can create a story in this. You love. A boy stand here. Right? He was in tension. So he saw a car here coming towards the tower. And that time, angle of depression was 30 degree. But he could not see clearly who is in the car. And car was running at a uniform speed. After 12 minutes, car came here. Now this boy was happy to see in the car because his friend was there inside. And the angle of depression was 45. Now, immediately, he was good in maths. I don't think my student or not, but immediately he'll calculate how much time this car will take to reach here, so he can come down and meet his friend. So, C to D, it is 12 minutes. Remember, this is not the distance, it's a time. Okay? Now, we'll start. Let BD is X. Tan 45 equal to AB upon BD, AB upon X. So AB is X. Now we'll take big triangle. In triangle ABC, tan 30 is AB upon BC. Tan 30 is 1 over root 3, AB, X, BC I don't know. Do cross multiplication. BC is root 3x. So friends, BC I got root 3x. Now find CD. How will I get CD? From BC I will minus BD. BC minus BD BC is root 3x minus x, x common. This is the distance CD. I know distance. I know time. Find out speed. Speed equal to distance upon time. This distance is x root 3 minus 1 upon 12. So this is meter per minute. Now the boy calculated what is the speed. Now he knows the speed. He knows this distance. He'll calculate what is how much time it will take to reach from D to B, so he can come down and he can meet. So let us calculate the second part. Tan 45. This distance I know already. So time equal to distance upon speed. The distance how much? X. Speed already I calculated. This 12 goes up. 12 upon. Now we'll rationalize. Calculate 16.39 minute is the total time car will take to travel from D to B. Then he can come down and can meet his friends. Got it? This very important sum. After this, I will teach you the next one. Sum number 9 is a cloud sum. Very important, energetic. You have to think a lot. Okay? Just wait. Thanks. Welcome. The sum number 9. This is the lake. A person standing 25 meters above the lake. He is not हवा में उड़ नहीं रहा है. There is a pillar standing on that. Got it? Then here is a cloud. He saw the cloud. Remember, be careful this sum. When he saw the cloud, angle of elevation was 30. He was sad. I don't know why. Then he looked below. Here's a water. So he saw the image of cloud. Physics apply. So saw the image down, and then angle of depression is 60. This point is D. I have to find what is the height of the cloud above lake. Means AC. All these are 90. So PQCB is a rectangle. Let us assume let AB is X. PBCQ is rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So this also 25 meter. So AC how much? X plus 25. Image start from here. So AC is same as CD. Distance of object same as distance of image. So AC equal to 25 plus X. AC same as CD, 25 plus X. So this part is, so BD how much? BD is BC plus CD 25 plus x, 50 plus x. Now, we'll start calculation. First, we'll take triangle ABP. Tan 30 equal to AB upon PB. Tan 30, 1 over root 3, x upon PB. So, PB is root 3x. This I got it, root 3x. Now, we'll take triangle PBD. Tan 60, opposite upon adjacent, so BD upon PB. Root 3, 50 plus x upon cross multiply. 3x equal to 50 plus x. Calculate x equal to 25. I want to find what is the height of the cloud above the lake. So AC. AC is 25 plus x. 25 plus 25, that is 50 meter. Be careful. Once you get the diagram, after diagram, calculation is important, very simple, but very difficult sum. Always either in the prelim examination or in the boards also, they prefer to ask like this sums or application based on that. Got it? Thanks. Welcome to the sum number 10. This is the tower. A person stand here, right? When you see the top of a tower, this is angle x, and given that tan x is 3 by 5. Suppose a boy is here, right? He could not see clearly that other boy. So he'll move closer to tower, right? Closer to tower. So he'll move from here, come here. This is 50 meter. And again he saw. This angle is y. And tan y is 4 upon 5. Find what is the height of the tower. See triangle ABD and ABC, right? In both triangle, AB is common. I will make AB as a subject. Best way. So, we'll assume let BD is X. First, we'll take closer triangle always. Smaller one. In triangle ABD, tan Y equal to AB upon BD. Tan Y is 4 upon 5. AB I don't know. BD I assume X. So, AB equal to 4x upon 5. Now, we'll take other triangle ABC. Tan X equal to AB upon BC. Tan X is given 3 upon 5. AB, I don't know. BC is 50 plus X. Cross multiply. 150 plus 3X upon 5 equal to AB. Now you see AB and AB. I'll equate. Got it? So, 150 plus 3x upon 5 equal to 4x upon 5. 5 cancel. I'll get x equal to 150. Now I want to find AB. You can use this also. You can use this also. I will use this one to find AB. So AB is 4x upon 5. X is 150 upon 5. That is 120 meter. Got it? These are the important sums I am doing. If you know all these sums, you can solve any heights and distance sums in your textbooks. Okay? Dear? So we'll move to the 11th sum after this. Thanks. Welcome to the sum number 11. This is tower and this is pole. Remember, tower is higher than the pole. So while you draw the figure, be careful. The height of the pole is given 20 meter. A person from top of pole saw top of a tower, the angle of elevation is 60. Same person from top of pole, when you saw the bottom of the tower, angle is 30 degree. Find what is the height of the tower and the distance between tower and pole. All these are 90. So PQBR is rectangle, opposite sides of rectangle are equal. First, I will use triangle PRB. In triangle PRB, tan 30 RB upon PR 1 over root 3, 20 upon PR, so PR is 20 root 3 meter. I told you PRBQ is a rectangle, therefore PR equal QB is 20 into 1.732, 34.64 meter. So I got the distance between tower and pole is 34.64 meter. Now use triangle ARP. Tan 60 AR upon RP. Root 3 AR I don't know, RP I found out 20 root 3. Do cross multiplication, 60 meter is AR. So this I got 60 meter. So what is the height of the tower? So AB is 20 plus 60, that is 80 meter. Got it? Thanks. Welcome to the sum number 12. This is a tree. A person stand here. When he saw the angle of elevation, it is 60. He moved 20 meter away from that place. Again he saw the angle of elevation is 30. Find what is height of the tree. Now I told you, always we take closer triangle first and then entire. Here I don't know anything. Let BC equal to X. In triangle ABC, tan 60 is AB upon BC. Tan 60 is root 3. AB upon X. So AB is, this is root 3x. Now, take triangle ABD. Tan 30 AB upon BD 1 over root 3. AB is root 3x. BD is how much? 20 plus x. Do cross multiplication. X bring it here. So x equal to 10. I want to find height of the tree. So AB is root 3x. 1.732 into 10. The height of the tree is 17.32 meters. Clear? Thanks. Now, sum number 13. This is the road. Got it? There are two pillars, but equal heights. There is a point in the middle, not middle. This height is x. Length of the road is 150 meter. From this point, this angle of elevation is 60 degree. And from this point, angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the height and BP and PD. BP and PD both will find in the terms of x. So, first a triangle ABP. Tan 60 is AB upon BP root 3 x upon BP. So BP is x upon root 3. This I got x upon root 3. Now take triangle PCD. Tan 30 is CD upon PD 1 upon root 3 x upon PD. So PD is root 3x. This is now BP x upon root 3, PD root 3x, and this whole distance is 150 meter. So BD equal to BP plus PD 150 x upon root 3 plus root 3x. Take LCM. Cross multiply equal to 4x 150 into root 3 upon 4 equal to x. Now we'll calculate 150 into 1.732 upon 4. Multiply 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45 plus 3 48, 15 7 ja 105 plus 4, 109. 259.8 upon 4 is my x. Now divide again. 4 6 are 24, 4 4 are 16, 4 9 are 36, 4 5 are. So I got x value, means height of the pillar 64.95 meter. I want one BP. BP is x upon root 3. X is take this value, not this one. 150 root 3 upon cancel 37.5 meter. You can find PD. From BD you minus BP. 150 minus 37.5, that equal to 112.5 meter. So I got the height of the pillar 64.95. I got the BP 37.5 meter. I got the PD 112.5 meter. Got it? Thanks. Welcome to the sum number 14. There is a cliff whose height is 60 meter. There is a tower whose height is not given. From top of cliff, angle of depression of top of tower is 30. And from here, angle of depression of bottom of tower is 60. Find what is the height of the tower. We'll draw CP perpendicular AB. So you see that CPBD is rectangle. Now, I'll take triangle ABD. ABD. You know, angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation. This is 30. So this is 30. This entire is 60. So this is 60 degree. We'll take triangle ABD. Tan 60 is AB upon BD root 3. AB is 60 upon BD. So BD is 60 upon root 3. We'll rationalize, multiply up and down by root 3. 60 root 3 upon 3. So I got BD as 20 root 3. Since CPBD is rectangle, therefore opposite sides are equal. So this also I got 20 root 3. Now I will use triangle APC. Tan 30 equal to AP upon PC 1 over root 3 AP upon 20 root 3. Calculate cross multiplication. AP equal to 20. This I got it 20. So from AB I'll minus AP, I'll get PB. So PB equal to 60 minus 20, that is 40. PB and CD are same. So CD equal to 40 meter, that is the height of the tower. Correct? Thanks. Sum number 15. This is tower, which is 150 meter high. A person is sitting here. He saw one boat here. Boat was coming towards the tower. This angle of elevation was depression 45 degree. So this also 45. In 2 minutes, he reached here. So this is 60. So this also 60. And here to here it took 2 minutes. So AB is the tower, 150 meter. This angle is 45 degree. This angle is 60 degree. And from C to D it took 2 minutes. Let us find out how much time it will take and what is the speed. So first I'll use triangle ABD. Tan 60 is AB upon BD. Root 3 is 150 upon BD. BD is 150 upon root 3. Will rationalize. So that is 150 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now multiply. 50 into 1.732. 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 16, 5 7 is 36, 86.6 meter. Now we'll use triangle ABC. Tan 45 equal to AB upon BC. 1 equal to 150 upon BC. So BC is 150. We'll find CD. CB minus DB. 150 minus 86.6. Subtract. I can find speed. Distance upon time. Time is in minute. I'll convert into second. So 634 upon 120 meter per second. Further you can calculate if you need, or you can leave here also. Thanks. Now, sum number 16. This one is very important. It's a sum proof. This is tower. Here, angle of elevation is 30 degree. This distance is 2i meter. Here angle of elevation is 45. I have to prove AB means height of the tower is this. I want to prove. This point is D. We'll assume, let BD as X. First we'll take triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, I'll use tan 45. Tan 45 is AB upon BD. 1 equal to AB upon X. So AB is X. So AB I got X. Now we'll take triangle ABC, the larger one. In triangle ABC, tan 30 is AB upon BC, 1 by root 3, and BC is 2y plus x. We'll do cross multiplication. 2y plus x equal to root 3x. I have to find the value of x. Take x there. 2y is root 3x minus x. X common, root 3 minus 1. 2y upon root 3 minus 1 equal to x. We'll rationalize. We'll multiply up and down by root 3 plus 1 equal to x. 2y root 3 plus 1. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 will get cancelled with this. So I got my proof. X that equal to AB. This only I want to prove. Got it? Thanks. Welcome. Sum number 17. This is one of the most important and best sum of heights and distance. This is an aeroplane at a height of 1000 meters. In an aeroplane, boy was sitting and girl was here. Girl was watching the boy in an aeroplane. The angle of elevation is 60. Girl was crying because boy was going. Then at the same height does not change. At a uniform speed, plane move here to here. Height remains same. But here angle was 60. Now dur chale gaye. Angle reduces. This is 30. And here to here, plane took 10 seconds. Find what is the speed of aeroplane. First we'll take triangle ABC. I'll use tan 60. See. In triangle ABC, tan 60 is AB upon BC, root 3, 1000 upon BC. BC is 1000 upon root 3. Now we'll take triangle PQC. In triangle PQC, tan 30, opposite side is PQ, adjacent is QC. 1 upon root 3, 1000 upon QC, QC is 1000 root 3. I know this distance. This one. From QC, I'll minus BC, I'll get BQ. So, BQ is 1000 root 3 minus, take LCM, 3000 minus 1000, that is 2000. Rationalize 2000 root 3 upon 3. I know the distance, I know the time, find the speed. Speed, distance upon time, so 200 root 3 upon 3 meter per second. But the question, they are asking kilometer per hour. From meter per second to kilometer per hour, we multiply by 5 upon 18. So, remember, from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we multiply by 5 upon 18. Meter per second to kilometer per hour, we multiply by 18 upon 5. So, we will convert 200 1.732 multiply by 18 upon 5. 5 40s are 3 6 are 240 into 1.732. My answer is 415.6 kilometer per hour. Very important. Got it? Thanks. Sum number 18. This is a tower. There are two stones. In the sum, try to understand. They have written 2 consecutive kilometer stone. That is the main information. Means distance between 2 stones is 1000 meter. And the angle of elevation is, this is 30, 45. Find out BC and BD. Simple sum we have done earlier also. Let BC is X. First we'll take triangle ABC. Tan 45 is AB upon BC, AB upon X, now we'll take entire triangle ABD, tan 30 AB upon BD 1 over root 3 and BD is 1000 plus X, root 3X is, bring X here, root 3X minus X is 1000. Take X common, root 3 minus 1 equal to X equal to, will rationalize 1000 root 3 plus 1, A minus B into A plus B, 1000 into 2.732, 1366 meter. So BC 1366 meter, that is 1 kilometer. BD is 2366 meter, 2.366 kilometer. meter. Correct? Thanks. Sum number 19. This is the figure you have. A person stand here, height is 2 meter. When the person, so the top of the tower, this angle is x degree. They given that tan x is 2 by 5. This is 10 meter. Find out PR. Simplest sum. PQBR is rectangle. So PQ equal RB is 2 meter. So AR how much? 10 minus 2, that is 8 meter. Now the triangle ARP. Tan x AR upon RP. Tan x they have given 2 by 5. 8 upon RP. Calculate RP equal to 20. Is a board questions. Be careful. Correct? Thanks. Sum number 20. This is tower. 2 points are here, C and D. This angle is Y. This angle is X. BC is A. This is B. They given that X plus Y is complementary, X equal to 90 minus Y. I have to prove AB equal to under root small ab. This is 90. Now we use tan y. Tan y is AB upon BC. Tan y is AB upon A. This is equation 1. We'll take triangle ABD. Tan x is AB upon BD. In the place of x, I'll write 90 minus y. Tan 90 minus y. AB upon B. Tan 90 minus y is cot y equal to AB upon B. Now this cot is, I can write just reciprocal it 1 upon tan y AB upon B. This is part 2. Now multiply tan y into 1 upon tan y AB upon A
AB upon B. Cancel. AB into AB is AB square upon AB. Cross. AB equal to AB square. Find square root, and that only I want to prove. Got it? Thanks. Sum number 21. This is tower AB. This is pole. This angle of elevation is X. Angle of depression is Y. DC is find AB. Tan X is 5/2. Tan Y is 1/4 given. First I'll use tan Y. In triangle DEB, tan Y is EB upon DE. DEBC is rectangle, so this also 10 meter. Tan Y is 1/4, 10 upon DE. DE is 40 meter. So this I got. Now I'll use triangle AED. Tan X is AE upon DE. 5/2. AE I don't know. Bring 40 here. Find to 40 upon 2. AE. So AE is 100 meter. This is 100. So height of the tower now we'll move to the last sum of heights and distance. Thanks. Sum number 22. This is tower. This is pole. Pole is 20 meter. From bottom of tower, this is the bottom of tower, bottom of pole. From bottom of pole to top of tower, angle of elevation is 60. From bottom of tower, top of pole, angle of elevation is 30. I have to find BQ and AB. First I'll use triangle PQB. Tan 30 PQ upon QB 1/√3, 20 upon QB. QB is 20√3. Calculate 20 into 1.732, 34.64 meter. This I got. Got it? Now we'll take triangle big one. In triangle ABQ, tan 60 AB upon BQ. Root 3, AB I don't know, 20 root 3 multiply, so I got the height of the tower is 60 meter. This way, heights and distance, all the explanation from the class worksheet of ASR tutorials. 22 sums get over. Please watch the videos, go through the sums, see the solution. It will be a great help to you. Thanks.